Did you say location? Close to Scottsdale, Paradise Valley. This amazing home out here in Phoenix, Arizona is getting ready to hit the market, and I'm about to take you on a tour through so you can see what we have out here in Phoenix, Arizona. As you can see, the homeowners are just prepping the front, getting it ready to go on the market this weekend. This is your courtyard as you're entering. So all the rock and landscaping will be fresh and new. And again, this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home in Phoenix, Arizona. So as we enter here, you are presented with these beautiful French doors. This gives you that nice light. It feels cozy in here, feels good. This home right here has direct access to Phoenix Mountain Preserve, and trailheads are just steps away. So location is awesome. If you're looking to be close to top-rated golf courses such as Stone Creek Golf Club, Orange Tree Resort, and Arizona Biltmore Club, this is a great location. You're kind of centralized between everything. And yeah, let me take a step back here. So as you enter, that is your foyer right here. You have that beautiful wood door, original brick architecture. So this home was originally, believe it or not, built back in 1968. So the homeowners did a great job updating everything. Walls have been smooth. There's been nothing not touched. Doors, windows, everything has been updated and brought to the most amazing. Everything has been updated so that it's in move-in condition. So this right here would be your formal dining room. Get a lot of light in here. So I am mid-afternoon. We're about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, just so you can kind of see the lighting that you get in here. So you have great lighting, some cool fixtures. They put these beautiful wood floors in. I believe it's kind of like an engineered hardwood. Step back, you have tall vaulted ceilings with beams. And again, this home is in the 85028 zip code in Phoenix, Arizona. We are in Tatum Mountain community. So lots of different homes out here, different architecture, different structure. Definitely makes it a lot more interesting to look at home. There's no cookie cutter homes in this community. As you can see, you have this beautiful brick around the window. That front view right there. And this home again is over 4,000 square feet. So we're going to leave there. We're going to head down this hallway. And you do have this guest bathroom right here. So they went ahead and they put these really cool brick tile, kind of a gray tone in. Almost a cement look, but it works really well with the different woods that they used. That beautiful granite countertop. They used a champagne gold fixture. It's very nice. And it is a split floor plan, so you do get a lot of privacy. And this way over here you have this really cool pantry area. So they did the butler's key pantry with all the cabinets in there, shelving. So you get a lot of storage. And that is right off of the kitchen area, which is amazing. So let's take a look at this island. It is humongous. So they put a large center island on here. They have Thermador appliances. So no skimping on this one. This home has it all. Look at this back wall right here. How beautifully done. So this is kind of the trend right now, where you have the large stove with the fancy side cabinets, along with your little arch here that kind of covers your built-in vent. And again, they use that really pretty tile back here. And lots of drawer space. So the kitchen was pretty well planned out. There's a lot of cabinet space in here. A lot of storage. Some really nice appliances. They got that microwave drawer. Again, lots of space, lots of cabinets. Oh, we have the drawers. So if you don't have drawers in your kitchen, you need to get drawers in your kitchen. I don't even cook, but I do appreciate a lot of great storage. So when you add drawers into your pantry area or into your kitchen, it's just going to give you a little bit more added storage, which works great when you have dishes and you have holiday events going on. The more space, the better, to keep everything hidden away. All right, so we're going to head back this way. And this is your beautiful kitchen, which opens up to the dining area. Again, that beautiful formal dining space. Kind of retract where we are. So I'm going to head back this way. Opens up to this family room right here. Again, another large room. You got that wood burning fireplace. Very nice flow plan. They did do a light beige on the walls and a little darker beige on the trims, which is also very in style, very bright, but not too bright. I love the colors for 2025. Everything's browns and greens and beiges. It keeps the house feeling very cozy and warm, but yet still bright. So it's not too bright like the white trend that's ended, but it definitely, it just has a great feel to it. Love it, love it, love it. So this is one of the other bedrooms. Super large room. So yes, you could probably fit quite a few king beds in here. And again, because the home was built a little while ago, you have fun features like this that you don't see in all the newer homes. Very large bedroom, and then you do have the walk-in closet in here, which they have for storage right now. But again, it's a pretty good size room. There's also built-in speakers throughout the home, which all get wired right into that little closet we just left. There's a system in there. You plug them in, you can play music. Makes it pretty easy. Come on this way, we have another guest bathroom. So this would probably be to that bedroom we just seen. They did the tile all the way up here. So again, super nice. Beautiful walk-in shower. All right, and yes, again, this home does have 5 bathrooms. And here is your laundry room, another well thought area. Look at all the storage you have in here. So you have another sink, lots of storage. Pretty views of outside. So they did a great job with the landscaping. So we're gonna walk down here, and this could be the primary bedroom or just another ensuite for a guest to stay in. It's pretty private and it's on its own section of the house. So I'm gonna flip this around. It has some amazing floors. I believe the floors are original and they're super fun and cool. I just love how the old style comes back again, especially when you are in one of these older, more character built homes that have brick walls and wood beams and all the fun stuff that make a home a home. All right, so as we take a look in here, you're going to see you have plantation shutters. You have this beautiful brick wall. And then check out these floors. How fun are those floors? So I love this beautiful design of floors. Go right into your ensuite. And again, they went with a really pretty gray brick look. In the shower. How beautiful. And again, this is a bedroom over here. This is bedroom number 2. So lots of privacy on this one. Some more storage cabinets in here. Again, this is an amazing house, move-in ready. Lots of storage spaces. Lots of views. And as we come back around, we are gonna head this way so I can show you the master ensuite. Again, this home is over 4,000 square feet, prime location, just hitting the market. If you like what you're seeing, you want a private tour, you want more info on this home, let me know in the comments below. Comment more info and I can get whatever you need over to you. I can even get you into this home before it officially hits the market, which is the best part. Right, so this is another ensuite right here. You have private toilet area. You have your private toilet area, tub shower combo, and another large bedroom. Some great lighting. Good sized linen closet. And we are gonna go. And we're heading down here into your new master bedroom. So it's a very large private room. You have access to the outside from here. So lots of views from your bed. Has great lighting. And then wait till you see the bathroom. It is a massive bathroom. So they have this beautiful double vanity. And you have your 0 entry walk-in tub shower combo. Private throne room right here. And then you have this beautifully done, supersized primary closet. Again, more drawers, lots of storage in here. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like and subscribe. If you love this home and you want a personal tour, all you gotta do is comment below. I reach on out to everyone that reaches out to me. I can get you in, I can send you info on this listing, and if this isn't the home for you and you're just curious on the market out here, I can also do that. So please make sure you comment below more info, and I will reach out so that way we can get you moving out here in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. All right, as we go outside, backyard has amazing views. So you have a super large patio out here. Almost the whole length of the house, which leads right over here. You have mountain views from the backyard. Built-in barbecue. And they have this beautiful flagstone all on the ground out here. The whole exterior of the home has been freshly stuccoed. So again, this is a move-in ready home. Homeowners completely redid everything, including the air conditioning system. So not just the outside looks good, but the inside is also good. Buying a home out here in the valley, you definitely want to make sure that it fits what you're looking for, whether it's location, upgrades, pricing. There's all different reasons and all different things that people are looking for when they're purchasing a home. So you want to make sure you ask a lot of questions and you get the help that you need. So again, if you are in the market to buy in Phoenix, Arizona, or anywhere, please comment below. I would love to help get you whatever info you need and get you into this house right here. I would love to show you this home in person. It is absolutely stunning. You got almost an acre on a lot, over 4,000 square feet inside, completely remodeled, gorgeous pool, mountain views, grass back here it's low maintenance, guys. This is just turf right here, so it will look beautiful all year round. And look at that back patio, absolutely beautiful. All right, so if you're looking for a location, amazing move-in ready home, this is the opportunity for you to reach out and see how you can be the next homeowner of this property. Hope you have an awesome day.